Wow. Hello friend. Let's find McQueen. Let's go. Wow. Look at this. Cruz Ramires. Yeah.
Oh, wow!
Wow. Lewis Hamilton.
Over here, Lewis!
Hey, man.
Jeff! Hey, Lightning!
Wow. McQueen. Wow. Francesco Bornoli. Yeah.
This is impossible.
That's what I'm talking about! Ka-chow!
Wow. Jackson.
Thank you. No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Wow. Mack.
Thank the manufacturer you're alive!
Matt?
Ooh. Slow. Yeah.
Ooh, Ramon, Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
Wow. Finn Michel.
Those thugs down there were on the oil platform. If they see me, the whole mission is compromised.
Aha. Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Oh. Jackson. Wow. Wow, look at this. Tomato. Yeah.
Mater, Tomater, that's who is here to help you.
Police car sheriff.
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Wow, Smokies.
Starting to think I might never meet.
It's gonna be so fun. Wow. Fillmore. Yeah.
Wow, this organic fuel is great! Why haven't I heard about it before?
It's a conspiracy, man!
Aha, Holly.
Let's see, tomorrow I'll be out there at the races.
Got it. We'll rendezvous then.
Wow, Jeff. Bye bye.